Hi everyone, this is an unboxing from Sierra.com and it's part of, as you could tell, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods family. So you could probably, if you're lucky, catch this at TJ Maxx. And this is going to be a backpack for my daughter, who she got a great job, and she's working as a payroll coordinator right now, learning a lot of neat stuff. And she has to carry a computer to and from work. So she's trying a few different ones out, and this is the second one. I should have made a video of the first one that I got. I got it from a different website, and but I should have made a video of it because it turned out pretty good. But this one is from, I believe this is a sack. And let me try to do this with one hand. I guess I need scissors, don't I? Hold on. Okay, so here we go. And ooh, I can already tell I like it. I hope she likes it. If she doesn't like it, then I'll take it and just, I don't know where I'd use it though, but it's kind of large. But anyway, this Arcadia collection. Suggested retail 88, sackroots.com. And then color details. So let me try to get it out of the plastic for y'all to see. Again, I don't see how a lot of people do this with one hand. There's some people that are just pros at this. Hold on again, I'm going to put the phone down. Thanks for being patient with me. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Here it is. So, first impressions are it's lightweight, and I think the design on the faux leather is really pretty. And it has whip stitching detail. Here, this is Sackroots, and it's like a, oh, I forgot what you call that. Is that what you call like a gunmetal finish? Or is it? Yeah, probably gunmetal. And so it has a zippered pocket there. So let me get a little closer. And I like how the lining is light. Let's see the bottom of it. No feet on the bottom. That's okay though. And the width looks to be probably about 5 or 6 inches, so good width to the bag. And the straps are padded, and they're attached well. The stitching is well on it, and they're adjustable. I like this center stitch right here. And the straps, I kind of think they're nylon straps. I don't, it might be a combo of nylon and cotton. I'm not sure. So double zippers. And it's stuffed well. Let's see. So here, Sac Roots has a zipper right there, light lining. So I'm curious about the computer pot sleeve. I hope it has a nice computer sleeve. So let's see. And it does. So let me just go ahead and take all this out. I'll repack it in just a minute. Or just leave it out. I don't know. I'll see. I'm not sure how she wants to store it in her closet. Some people like to store things stuffed so that it retains its shape. So again, light lining, very roomy, and here's the padded computer sleeve. So I like that. And it has the Velcro. So, wow. Well, I think she'll enjoy carrying this too, and the other one. Maybe when it's really like January or something in the winter, she might go with this black color. The other one I got, it's a different brand. I just can't remember the name of it, but it was like a tan color. So really pretty for fall. I like this, and like I said, it's lightweight, and I like how it has a gusset right here, so nothing will fall out. Again, here's the large zip pocket there. Okay, well, I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.